Hey guys, I'm back, and so, you got, since there was football, I said there's gonna be a NASCAR. I don't have anything else, only if I play across the neighbor's house, but that would be dangerous with my phone. But I'm not gonna do that. Kicking my football stuff out of the way. Okay. Gotta get some cars. One car. This car. Let's put it in the lane of 6. There it is. Let's look for another car. I need this thing. In this. Well, these are my tracks, so don't think about it. I'm not gonna be in there. Okay, I wasn't in there. Monster truck. So I'm not gonna use that. I'm using cars. Some people like Monster Jam, but some people don't. I'm still looking. Oh! A car. Another car. You'll put it in the lane of 5. Actually, 1. Who will win? It. 45 first. I'm not doing the name for it. The light brown and orange. Let's see who wins. Whoa! Oh! Lane 1 wins the challenge. Wow, guys. They both rode really fast, but number 45 just got catched right on that lump. And then light brown orange is faster. Just right there, not going fast enough to catch up and lost. Bye, guys.